Oftentimes we're asked about Series LLCs. A Series LLC is frankly just like any other LLC, but you have the ability to create subsidiary interests that actually are protected from one interest to another. Traditionally, what we would do is organize a holding company, and as an example, multiple LLCs for each real estate property owned underneath that holding company. That caused us to have to organize a whole bunch of LLCs, and administratively it was not as easy. Over the last 15 to 20 years, they've allowed the Series LLC, where now you just file one LLC and you can hold all of your real estate underneath Series or cells underneath it, and you still have the asset protection from one property to the next. With Series LLCs, the reason why it is preferred is it is a cost-effective way to allow you to have protection for all of the assets within the LLC. If you don't form it as a Series LLC, if there was ever a lawsuit or a problem or an injury at one property, as an example, the creditor may have a right to take all of the properties that are owned by the LLC. There are some ways to protect against this, and that would be encapsulating each property within its own unique LLC, or utilizing a Series LLC where each one is structured and put together where it's protected one property from the others.